Hey, folks, how y'all doing? This is Mav here. Man, it's been a long time since I've done a YouTube video, but I've been, me and my wife, we do estate sales, so I've been busy doing a lot of estate sales and so forth and everything. But I got a chance to go source in the last couple of days, so I'm going to share with you some of the things that I got and that I was able to source yesterday. Let me see. My office is a little junky, so excuse me. As you can kind of see the receipts there. Let me see. I spent a total about maybe 30, almost $35 yesterday sourcing. And actually, one item I brought yesterday sold for $25. It was a water filter, so I paid like $2.99 for it, $1.99 for it, something like that. So that was great and everything. But you can see on the table behind me, I got a lot of stuff that I was able to pick up today. And I want to show you real quick what I got and everything. And kind of like, what I hope to be able to gross from everything that I got. I spent roughly about $55 today. And here goes my receipts from today. So I don't know if you can see them or not. But yeah, I went to 2 different thrift stores. And so that wasn't bad. I spent a total about 4 hours out sourcing and everything. But here we go. Anyhow. So one of the things I got was this miter, Craftsman miter cut and clamp set. It's all complete. It's all there. The box and everything, which is good. It's a new thrift store that I went to. I paid roughly like $4 for it. And I looked up the comps on it and everything. Roughly like $45 free shipping. I should be able to do that easily. 40, 45 free shipping. 40 if I want to get rid of it real quick, right? So the next thing, now this is what I paid the most for. Most of the times you'll see I paid on the probably $5 for. Or $10 at least. And anyhow, this one right here I paid $12.91 for. It's called the Hawkeye Nature Cam. It's an outdoor camera. And it has infrared. It has a mic and all that stuff like that. This one's wired. It's brand new. You can tell it's brand new because the wires are like they factory wrapped and so forth. And the power adapter right here has never been taken out the box. So the last one sold for $90 free shipping. And so this will pay for everything that I brought today. And that's what I like when I go sourcing, is to have at least one item that pays for everything. And that way everything else you can work with, lower prices on, whatever, get that profit in and stuff like that as quickly as possible. So next item I have is, let me see. Okay, I'm still there. Next item I have is this toothbrush sanitizer, Violite, whatever how you pronounce it. I paid $5.95, was marked down. This is a dual one, and I didn't see these ones on eBay, but I'm thinking about $30 free shipping. Should be easy on that. Next, I got a John Deere light switch plate. I paid 97 cents for it. And one thing I remember, when you sell these items, make sure you clean the prices or take the price stickers off. And so that way the person don't get that and be mad at you because you paid very little for it and you sold to them for such a big profit. But anyhow, 97 cents. On the John Deere light switch, I'm looking at about $10 free shipping for that. So that's an easy deal. John Deere is very popular. And so next I got this. This is kind of almost vintage, I guess. New old stock. I paid $2.92 for it. Yeah, $2.92 if you can see that. So under $3, Snake Light. There was something for like $25. $25 free shipping. And then next I have these are hose. You can mend your hose, water hose. I got a whole bag for them. I paid $2.99. Yellow tag was 30% off. And so I paid roughly like $2 for them and so forth. So there's a bunch of them in there. And they sell for like maybe like $4 each. But I'll probably sell them all together and put them in the lot. Next, I got these 12 karat gold frame like reading glasses or whatever. Paid $1.99. They were 30% off too. So that was good. And they don't sell for a whole lot. But I'll probably do is add them with some other gold scrap I got and everything. And some with that and so forth. They gold, 12 karat gold filled, I'm sure. Okay, and I got this Ultimate Hand Helper. Yeah, it looks new. I paid like $1.50 for it. Roughly, I should be able to get rid of it for about 15 bucks free shipping. It's light, easy to ship. Next, I got this signed autograph photo, Tanya Tucker, framed. I paid, actually it was 30% off, yellow tag. They had $9.99. So again, that came out pretty good. So I probably took out the frame, because most of them, none of them was in the frame. I took out the frame and sold it like that. About 30 bucks for that and so forth. So that's not bad and everything. I got these vacuum bags. Overick vacuum bags, $3 for them. And they sell for about 30 bucks and stuff like that. So that's free shipping again and so forth. This little guy right here, he doesn't do much of nothing. Somebody got fortunate and sold this for 25, but most of them don't seem to sell. This particular one right here, I ain't paying them $1 something for him, so I'm not tripping off that. I don't even know if he works or not. Next, I got this Fliss and Floyd. Now, you know, with Fliss and Floyd, this stuff, a lot of stuff is seasonal. A lot of stuff does something. A lot of it doesn't do much of nothing at all. But this guy right here, I paid $6.96 for. If you can see that. And last one sold for like 30 bucks, 35 bucks, free shipping. So I'll probably do about like that on that. These, I didn't have to even look these up. Everything else is another thing I do when I'm in the store. I look up everything. Unless I know about it already. Because I want each one of my dollars to count. And so I looked at each one of these items before I actually brought it. And to see the comps on it and stuff like that. So I knew that it would sell. And, you know, I've been making good profit off of it. Next, I got these Asian, Chinese wood plant stand. The lady at the thrift store tried to explain to me that they use them to sit their bells on, the Hindus or Buddhists rather, she said. Use them to sit a pillow and a bell on, and the thing on the bell hangs in there or something like that. So I don't know. I mostly come and thought they were plant stands, but they sell. I paid $6.96 for this big one. It's like 11-inch across. And that's going to be about like $40, $45 free shipping. And this little guy right here, these are the ones I commonly usually run across. And they sell pretty good. $25 dollars free shipping and so forth. I paid $5 for that one and everything. So roughly, when it's all said and done, I should be able to gross around $350, $360. Not including the eBay, PayPal fees, not including shipping. There's nothing heavy here except for these wood stands, the one big one anyhow, stuff like that. So the main thing you always want to do is be able to net double profit. And so I spent $55. This first item right here that I'm going to post, this camera, I'm going to put it up for probably about 80 bucks free shipping and get it out the door and hurry up and get myself in profit zone, and everything else will be a breeze. Okay, folks, I ain't done a video in a long time. I'm going to try to do one when I'm out and about. It's very difficult because I'm really rushing and trying to go through stuff and look at stuff and everything like that and look it up at the same time. But I will share different videos with y'all and hope to see y'all again. Y'all take care and wish you happy sourcing. All right.